All right. So now we're going to go and add one more column here, and we're going to do the profit, like uh, gross profit. So we're going to go here and we're going to add column to the right, and we're going to call this P GPR. All right, perfect. So now we need to do the sales amount minus the product cost. So we're going to go here in the bottom of the gross profit, and we're going to add a expression. We're going to right click and select expression. All right. So what kind of expression we want? We want the in the expression to be in this field. Yes, uh, GPR. We're going to select sales amount. Double click minus. I put the minus that total product cost. Yes. And okay. And then the expression is right there. And now we're going to preview. And now we have the gross profit between the sales amount, how much I sold, minus the cost of the product. All right, so that's our first report.